Welcome, love. You can breathe now. No one's judging you here. You can finally stop performing strength and just rest inside your truth. Let's start slow. Breathe in through your nose. Hold it gently. Now let it fall out of your mouth like you're releasing everything that hurt to hold. Again. Inhale softness. Hold, exhale shame. You've been talking to yourself harshly again, haven't you? The quiet voice that repeats old fears. The one that says, "You're not enough. You always mess things up. You don't deserve rest." But here's the truth you've forgotten. That voice isn't you. It's a leftover echo, a habit of protection that learned criticism before it learned compassion. You don't need to silence it by force. You just need to stop believing it. Imagine yourself standing in a quiet room. There are two voices there. One loud, sharp, quick to judge, and one soft, kind, patient, waiting for you to listen. The loud one shouts, but the soft one waits. Every time you breathe, the soft one gets stronger. Say to yourself gently, "I am not that voice. I am the one who listens." Now place a hand on your chest. Feel that warmth. That's where your real voice lives. It's slower, kinder, honest, in a way that heals. You are not the cruel things you tell yourself when you're tired. You are the one trying to soothe them. Take another breath. Let it stretch through your ribs. Let it wash the noise away. Every time you notice the critic, don't fight it. Just whisper, "Thank you for trying to protect me, but I'm safe now." That's all it needs, to know it can rest too. The more you do this, the quieter it gets, until one day you wake up and realize the silence isn't empty. It's peaceful. Repeat softly, 3 times. I am worthy of gentleness. I am safe with my own voice. I am learning to speak kindly to myself. Feel how light that makes your body. How much easier it is to breathe when you stop holding everything against yourself. Now, imagine your reflection in front of you. Not the mirror that compares, the mirror that sees. Look at yourself the way you'd look at someone you love. Someone who's trying, someone who's tired but still showing up. That's you. That's always been you. You don't have to fix yourself tonight. You just have to remember that you're already worth the softness you give others. So rest, beautiful mind. Rest knowing you're no longer at war with yourself. You are home inside your own compassion. You are allowed to be kind to the person you wake up as tomorrow. Breathe in love. Hold it. Let it fill every corner. Now breathe out doubt. Let it leave for good. Sleep gently and let the quiet voice stay near. The one that says, "You are enough, exactly as you are, always."